I'm kind of planning to give them a more of a badass look. So, there are 3 things to make your character look badass. What's up guys, my name is Freeze, I'm an artist, and welcome back to another episode of Random Sunday. It is actually Monday today, but let's just pretend it's still Sunday. And for this Random Sunday episode, we'll be doing another comment from a subscriber. But this time, it's actually not a subscriber from my YouTube channel. It's a follower from my TikTok, who also eventually became a subscriber. So a couple days ago, I posted a video which is the Marvin The Martian video, which got decent views in my YouTube channel. And then when I post the short version of this Marvin The Martian video on my TikTok channel, apparently the video kind of blew up on my TikTok, which by the way, also follow me on TikTok if you want some more videos. I actually got a lot of likes and requests from that video, and one of the comments from that video was this. This is a comment from Sir Ian from TikTok. Kaya nyo po ba Mario Brothers? So he said it in Filipino language, but basically he just said if I could draw my version of Mario Brothers. So for this Random Sunday episode, we are gonna be doing the Mario Brothers in my version. Let's go! But before we start with the video, feel free to comment down below for your request for the next week's Random Sunday episode, and maybe you'll get a chance to be featured on the next episode. Let's go! So first off, like any of my other drawing, I usually start off with laying out the posing of the character, and after that a semi-detailed sketch, and immediately after that I put on the final line work. So basically, for my version of the Mario Brothers, I'm kind of planning to give them a more of a badass look. So, there are 3 things to make your character look badass. Number 1, your character should have a full-grown beard. Notice that almost all of these action movie stars have full-grown beard because they make them look badass.
Count it, count it. That's 100 in the works. We the top to finish first. Whole squad fucking cursed. Modest touch on every verse. Counted 100 a piece, ayy. Counted 100 a weeks, ayy. Started off Q203, ayy. Now in the hills all this heat, ayy. We the rebels, not the saints. Fuck with us, got no restraints. Freedom pouring out our veins.
So after I'm satisfied with the final line work, it is now time to put on the basic colors.
Conquered, then we came. Get the hell out of my way, ayy. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it. About to start a riot. They can't keep us quiet. Just call me the pilot, cause we mobbing out united. Yeah, we came to work. And we came to play. Work.
Number 2, your character should have tattoos. So I don't really know what tattoos to put on this Mario Brothers. So I basically just get some of these pictures from Pinterest and put them on their bodies. These are all basically just a lot of fan art Mario Brothers from the Pinterest.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch don't get it.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch go get
Doing
it.
it like Lil Wayne, releasing shit like it's the play, track after track, it's insane, bitch get the hell out my lane, I'm just gon' ride to the beat, yeah, lyrics they come out my teeth, yeah, we do this shit every week, then put that shit on repeat.
And number 3, your character should have battle scars. So I didn't really put battle scars on Mario Brothers, but instead of battle scar, I put a bunch of blood stains on their clothes, just to make them look like or feel like that they just got into an epic fight. And just because of this blood stain effect, the drawing got a little bit more epic.
And we about to blow all on the radio. Hey, hey, look at me, fuck with me, hate on me, love on me. Look at me, fuck with me, hate on me, love on me. I don't know how I'm functioning, I just keep on hustling. Pour it up, it's bubbling. I got one life, so I'm guzzling. Hey, count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch don't get it.
Count it, count it, count it, count it.
100 tracks, what you know about it, bitch, go count it.
And now the drawing is done, but before I show you the final piece, you should hit the like button if you really like this video. Comment down below if you have some more art suggestions that you want me to do. Also comment down below if you have requests for the next week's Random Sunday episode, or follow me on TikTok if you want to comment there. And if you really like art content videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell. That being said, this is the final piece. Enjoy.
That's 100 in the works. We the top to finish first. Whole squad fucking cursed. Midas touch on every verse. Counted 100 a piece, ayy. Counted 100 a weeks, ayy. Started off Q203, ayy. Now in the hills all this heat, ayy. We the rebels, not the saints. Fuck with us, got no restraints. Freedom pouring out our veins. Break the hell out of these chains. Feels like I'm going insane, cause I haven't made a name. Conquered then we came. Get the hell out of my way, ayy. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it.
Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video. Freeze out.
100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it.
Who also became who also eventually became who also so I basically just to make them look like or feel like they just got in a just to make them look like or feel like that they just got into an epic fight. Epic.